Today, we're diving into the world of STEM and exploring the breathtaking landforms of Tanzania, including the incredible Marangu Falls, right at the base of the majestic Mount Kilimanjaro. But wait, we're not just going to admire these wonders from afar, we're going to create our very own Tanzanian waterfall right at home. Follow these steps to unlock the magic. Step 1. Place your cups upside down at the back of your baking sheet. Step 2. Add drops of food coloring to your ice tray, blue, green, yellow, and repeat. Step 3. Fill each cube with baking soda about half full. Step 4. Now quickly pour vinegar into each cube with food coloring, starting from behind. Watch the magic unfold. And there you have it, your very own Tanzanian colored waterfall. But it's not just about the wow factor. This STEM project teaches kids about geography, landforms, and the natural wonders of our planet.